So hello, I'm Steve Gray, the director of the Michigan Unemployment Insurance Agency. We've been getting a lot of questions about claims, and so we put together this video to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. So let's get started. So typically a non-monetary issue means that the claimant certification was accepted, but not yet payable because there's an issue that needs to be resolved first. Once the review or investigation concerning your eligibility for benefits is complete, you'll be notified. It's taken a little longer than normal to review claims, especially if there's an issue because of the historically high volume of claims that we've received. Please know that we're doing everything to get to them as quickly as possible. And once your issue is resolved, you'll receive a notice in your MyWAM account. So just continue to certify bi-weekly while you wait for our team to review the issues with your claim. And make sure you monitor the MyWAM account, as we may need to reach out to you there to request additional information. If we do, be sure to answer all the questions completely. Generally, it should take about 7 to 10 days after you certify before your payment is deposited in your account or loaded on the debit card. If there's an issue that arises when we are reviewing your claim, it may take a little bit longer. If it's been more than 10 days since you certified, please send us a message through your MyWAM account. So if you are locked out of your MyWAM account, please go back and try again. An error message will appear with an email link that goes directly to our tech team to respond. If you have trouble with your MyLogin authentication, you'll see an online prompt to complete a brief form that will also be sent directly to our tech team to resolve your issue. So unfortunately, when we first rolled out the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance application, there was a system issue that made the link unavailable to some of our customers. So thanks to your feedback, we quickly resolved this issue and updated our system with the new information. So if you tried before and did not see the link, please try again. When you go back into your MyWAM account, you should see a link under Account Alerts that says File a PUA application. And if your claim was denied, you may be entitled to benefits under the Federal Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. Go back into your MyWAM account, look for the link that says File a PUA application under Account Alerts. So first, remember that if you have weeks available to certify, please go ahead and do so. These weeks could be from previously reported wages. If you've applied for PUA, check your MyWAM account for the notice to tell you when to begin certifying. So we're definitely sorry for the delay in responding. While we've added hundreds of call center staff and hundreds more on the way, and we've expanded the days and hours of operation, we realize this really isn't enough to answer the extremely high volume of calls we're receiving. So because of this, we've expanded our MyWAM online chat and our email functionality and have added a number of FAQs and how-to videos to our website. You can access those at www.michigan.gov/UIA. Please check our website for those frequently asked questions, those video tutorials, and other information that can help answer your questions. You can check your MyWAM account for the status of your claim. So if you have a fax confirmation, you know that we received your fax. You should keep that confirmation report as verification. If you were sending in documents to verify your identity, those issues have been cleared for everyone. Please go back into your MyWAM account to check for updates. It's taken a little longer than normal to review the documents because of the large number of claims, and we're doing everything we can to get to those as quickly as possible. Once your issue is resolved, you'll get a notice in your MyWAM account, so check there. So So I want everyone to know that if you're eligible for benefits, we're going to make sure that you get paid. So far, we paid out over $745 million in benefits to almost 750,000 Michiganders. We know this is little comfort to the thousands of you who are worried about your economic future and you still need additional help to complete your claims. We understand how frustrating it is to have the benefits delayed, and I want to assure you that we're working around the clock and we won't rest until everyone is helped.